Hello everyone, this is my review of the Proctor Silex juicer machine. This machine is great for juicing all types of citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruit, limes of all different sizes, big, small. One thing is it has a small cord to it, so if you don't have a cord next to your countertop, you may have to get an extension. That's the only bad thing I see about it. Here is it taken apart, broken down to its smaller pieces so it's easy to clean and get all the juices and pulp out of there. This strains your pulp. You can switch it to a half pulp and not half pulp. It works really well. I'll show you that a bit later. Let's go ahead and get the juicing. I got a nice size orange here. You just push it down on top here and it will turn on automatically once you push down on it. You can use it with your bare hand or you can use the cover as a holder. And I use the cover. And you can see it turning and it's getting all the juices out. You can see the juices coming down the bottom. And I have it set to like not have no pulp so you can see how well it strains the pulp out of the juice that I'm making here. That was one half of the orange, so I'm gonna do the other half. Then show you. You can see the pulp in there. If you don't like pulp, you have the option to keep it out to your juice. Okay, I finished juicing the second oranges, and you can see that all the pulp is there, and I'm gonna pour it out so you can see how good it strains it out. And this is pure juice, none of the pulp. Probably just little bits in there, but not much at all. So this is how much I got out, whole orange, and you can enjoy. I hope this review helps.